Hello, I'm Alice Rhodes. I'm here to bring you another BJD unboxing. I ordered this doll last year. It is the sheep BJD Panny from Dream Valley. I ordered it from denverdoll as well. And I ordered him in the tan coloring. I didn't have him painted, I just ordered the new doll because I wanted to make his markings a little darker, or maybe add some like little black or darker brown spots. So I didn't order him painted already because of that, though I have not painted him yet. He's still just sitting there nude. Eventually I'll get to painting my BJDs. I just don't feel like I'm practiced enough to do that yet. I'd rather continue to improve on repainting my Monster High dolls until I get to that. Here's his little certificate. Comes with little photo cards of I do think the certificates for the Dream Valley dolls are a lot nicer than how the certificates for the Fairyland dolls are. Try to get the camera still so you can see him a bit better. He has some extra hands, a little extra peace sign. I can get the camera to focus at all. There it goes. You can kind of see it. I don't want to take it out of the bag because I'm probably not going to switch it out at all. It'll just stay in the box. And here's the eyes that he came with. He gave me the amber eyes. And then his horns are separate. And they just snap on by magnets. And his arms are wrapped up, but nothing else is. But he's pretty nicely secure in there. He was kind of hard to get out. There he is. He's so cute. See if I can focus it on the face. There he is. I really like the sheep face more than the one with the more human face. I think that looked really nice. And I want to make him have like black wool rather than in their full set of the doll had it with the white fur or wool. I would rather use black. Just have him be a lot darker than what they had. More browns on his fur. Maybe a mixture. I don't know. I still need to like fully sketch out what I want to do. I think I need to get airspray before an airbrush before I actually start on him. For what I think I want to do, I think I'll need that. Here's a close-up of his face with the eyes in. He looks really nice. I really appreciate it. There is a gap with the horns and the magnets, but once you have like a wig and stuff on, it shouldn't show too much. He's pretty nicely poseable. He might need to be restrained a bit because I can't really position the hands all that well. You see? See at the back. That Dream Valley mark on them. He can stand really easily on his own. It's not too hard to get him to stand up. The only problem is he isn't as posable if you want him to sit down, like with my other Dream Valley doll, my Callie. She's a lot easier to pose in a laying pose. This is the best I can do with him. But other than that, he's still really cute, and I can't wait to actually do something with him. And when I do, I'll make sure to make a video of that. But that's all for now. I'll see you next time.